Look over there, look over here. We ain't been sober this year. I've been drinking a lot of beers with all of my fucking peers. Yep, 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 yep. Look what he did. Look at what we did. Look at what we did. Acting like we some little kids. Acting like I about to this. Yeah, we did this shit again and again, my nigga, cause we sick. I don't really give a fuck about a bitch, so I spit this shit, lyrically hit. Yes, this it. Yes, this it. I'm a freestyle nigga. Ain't none of it. Ain't none of it. I'ma get my chips. Gonna get my chips and I'ma call my chick. Tell me what you fucking with. Hustling, no trusting men. Look how quick we dusting them. I'm busting them, trusting them. I don't do that, no, my friend. Coach Brown, yes, I'm sipping that gin. Did it once, I'ma did it again, cause I'm hot, hot, super hot. Blowing up the whole motherfucking spot. Niggas talk shit, I pull the Glock. I don't know nothing but that knock. Techno beats, techno rock. I don't know shit but hip hop. Flipped and flop, back and forth. Is a boy named Court like July the 4th. I'm blowing up, blowing up. Bombs, bombs, blowing up. Ask your mom, so what? I'm so motherfucking off of Dutch. I don't know nothing but sticking the clutch. Stay in the rush. Look how I bust. Look what I've done. I'm on the microphone, my son. I don't know nothing but getting it done. I am the one and the two. I'm getting loose. Got that rhyme, got that juice. I don't know nothing. Get my loot, get my cheese, get my chips. Yes, this hat, backwards bitch. I'm never gonna change, all gonna quit, cause y'all niggas ain't never fucking with this. I'm so sick, like I'm sick. Throwing up all my brand new kicks. Nigga, I'm switch a fucking chick. Just like I just switch my kicks. Just like that, just like this. I don't know nothing cause I'm legit. Freestyling since I was 6. Freestyle fanatic, that's that shit. Freestyle, yeah, that's that kid. Coach Brown up in this bitch. Handle my businesses. It's tremendous what we did. I'm doing it big. Me and my niggas. Sipping some shit that had me feeling like I'm sick. Did it again, one Saturday and again. I'm not fucking with none of these niggas cause I'm hit.